Alright, so this is chi folding. It's the reverse one. There's only two, the reverse and the forwards, and for me the reverse is a little easier, so we're going to start with that one. It's a move I kind of made up, but not in like a bad way, in like a good way. Or discovered. Oh, whatever. Anyway, it's kind of like chi roll from Dragon Staff and a single staff folding combined. So it can be helpful to have learnt the contact weave first. So here you see I'm bending my elbow and then pushing it over and letting it roll down again. The whole thing is a roll, but here we have like the wrap section, so it wraps over the elbow like a conveyor belt, and then you straighten your arm and it rolls down again. So you see real slowly, and there, again and again and again. Now the thing is, in order for this to actually work and not have an extra beat, you're going to transition your forearm back down under the staff again. So there I'm doing it over and over again. It's that from above to below, from the opposite diagonal to the other diagonal against the staff. So here it's from the front, and you can see I'm going to put my elbow deliberately over the top, but in the end that'll happen as a kind of rotation on my forearm during the move. You can see it there. My arm goes from, my hand goes from like facing my face to downwards, facing downwards. Well, here's the contact weave from above, and then this is the chi roll, the chi folding from above. That helps. You can see the fold over the elbow. It's not like the elbow is super bent, but it's like mildly bent in. And then my other hand guides it as it wraps over the elbow and guides it as it rolls back down the straightened arm again as well. There's a little bit of me patting it down onto that elbow with my other hand, and then controlling it as it rolls down my arms. Now this is not a continuous roll, so it's not really possible with a dragon staff. It does change rolling direction, but it is contact, so I'm not really ever gripping it. And I kind of want to get the feeling of it rolling between my forearms, so on the top side of one forearm and simultaneously on the underside of the other forearm. And that's especially apparent with the forwards chi roll. Chi fold. Chi fold. That's what I meant to say. So, see Sebastian's here all alone. Maybe you want to join my Patreon. That would be great. And then he wouldn't feel all by himself on my little Patreon page. Yeah, hopefully I'll get to make more tutorials like this and make them even better. Okay, bye.